So mga idol, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Marami talagang nagtatanong sa akin, maraming nagme-message sa comment section kung ano talaga ang functions and mandates sa RC issues. So ito yon, the RC issue functions supervise and control the processing of the following: application for new license to own and possess firearms, yung tinatawag nating LTAF, including transfer of firearms and application of firearms registration, yung mga firearms license sa individual, kahit sa mga organization or other law enforcement agencies, yung mga baril nila. Then, the renewal of LTAF, license to own, possess firearms, and firearm registration. Renewal of explosives and explosive ingredients, related permits and licenses, including firecrackers and pyrotechnic devices. Application of new license to operate of private security agencies, private detective agencies, and company guards, government security forces, and issuance of license to exercise security profession. Security guard license, yun na yun, yung sa mga gwardiya natin, na mga license nila. Including the canine handlers. Kasi ang canine handlers, mga security guards din yun. Pag mag-training ka ngayon sa canine, dalawa na ang lalabas na license mo. Meron ka ng license exercise security profession at yung isa yung canine handlers. So pag mag-training kayo ng canine handlers, dalawa ang makuha mong license. So then conduct of periodic inspection of firearms, explosives, and private security industries to ensure compliance with the regulatory rules and regulations. So yun idol, yung sa mga sinasabi ko, yun na yun, yun na yung function namin sa RC issues. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Once again, thank you and good afternoon.